Good evening, everyone. My name is Chen Yongyao. I'm from the Department of Transportation Management. Today, I'm going to introduce about smart city transportation application. The first part is introduction. As more people surge into urban area around the world, the population shrinks infrastructure and service. Global city now accounts for more than half of the world's population, and the United Nations project the number to rise to 68% by the mid-century. How will all of these residents move through and around the city? And the city now facing a tax to provide energy, water, sanitation, and other basic needs. Smart city get into a new system that make a city work, a new and evolving smart city. Smart cities require leaders with a long-term vision and people committed to collaboration. Multiple agency, consultant, and private firms track the development of smart cities, and there are 8 generally recognized subjects that combine to make a city smart: mobility, healthcare, security, water, energy, engagement, and community, economic development, and housing, waste. Today I'm going to introduce the city Copenhagen. Here's a brief introduction of it. It is the capital and the most populous city in Denmark, facilitated by the investment in its institutions and infrastructure. The city is the cultural, economic, and governmental center of Denmark. In the second part, I'm going to introduce the transportation in Copenhagen. First is cycling. Half of city residents bike to work. Every day 1.2 million kilometers are cycled in Copenhagen, with 62% of all citizens commuting to work, school, or university by bicycle. In fact, almost as many people commute by bicycle in Greater Copenhagen as do those cycle to work in the entire United States. They are using an app developed from all of these data that guide them through a city street. The Green Wave project is a large-scale demonstration of new technologies to effectively solve the traffic congestion problem faced by the urban development. Through a sensor on the street light, the road condition and traffic flow can be collected in real time, so as to adjust the traffic sign and reduce the number of times a cyclist has been stopped by the red light. And if the public can maintain a speed of 20 kilometers per hour, they can go all the way under an uninterrupted green light. Here's the sensor on the street. The second is S-Train finger plant. The development of Copenhagen metropolitan area, mainly serving the urban Copenhagen area. It connects the city center, urban and suburban area. This model is possible to be linked with the concept of transportation-oriented development (TOD). It is an urban plan from 1947 which provides a strategy for the development of Copenhagen metropolitan area. Denmark. According to the plan, Copenhagen is to develop along 5 fingers, concrete on a string commuter rail line, which extends from the palm that is a dense urban fabric of central Copenhagen, and between the finger green which are intended to provide land for agriculture and recreational purpose. As what we can see on these 2 pictures, the string road is highly similar with the 5-finger plan. So we can expect our nation about the new township development. Once we develop and build those new township, we should build another road about railway or metro. Thank you for listening.